Okay, so we're going to take a quick look at how you can find all your promotional material that was created by Northern Lights in the library aware. So first thing, you need to make sure that you have a promotion in this list. If you do not, create promotion. Once you have your promotion created, now you can create items within that promotion. So you just click on the create items to be able to start. And all of the material was created in the print, drop, and drag. So you need to know the pathway to find the stuff that's been created by Northern Lights. So print, drop, and drag. There was one item created in the 2-page bookmark. In the search button, search bubble, type in NLS, and there it is. So you can select that. There was 3 items created in the 4-page bookmarks. Again, NLS in the search bubble, click enter, and there's 1, 2, 3. So then you just select, and then you can edit them as you please. The reading log was created in the 2-sided flyer. And again, you type in NLS, enter in the search bubble, and there's your reading log. And for your posters, 4 of the items were created in flyer events. Again, NLS, enter. One. Oops, just taking a moment. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 2 items were created, and notice, sorry, and do you notice the gray bar here? Those are your branding options. When you do flyer signs, you do not have any branding. So these ones are just signs. NLS, the search bubble, enter, and 1, and 2. All right, so you select it. And then you can edit it. So these are pictures. And if you want to swap out a picture, just click the 2 arrows that are crossed. And I want